What's the haps? I'm Meroka and welcome back to Human Resource Machine. I fancied delving a little further into this because it's kind of grabbed me. As I say, I like what these developers make, so... we can do a zero preservation initiative or a Tetra multiplier. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that word means. Let's work our way up to that. Could be quite challenging. Okay, it's come to our attention. Zero advocacy community. For the previous assignment was not inclusive. Oh, that was the last one where we got rid of the zeros. Okay. This time send only the zeros to the outbox. Oh, okay. Management leaves that detail up to you. Oh, okay. Right. Grab a thing from the inbox. Okay, hang on. Okay. Apparently... Oh, I see. If you drag it onto the question mark, it tells you what it does. Okay. So jump if 0 to... I think I'll leave that there for now. Jump if 0 to outbox. No. Wait. We put that... No... How can I make this work? I kind of need like a separate function for this. Oh man. I need jump if not 0. Yeah. I need a jump and I need a jump if 0. If it jump if 0 first and then jump to... Can I jump this beyond? Oh, we can. Oh, that kind of works then. So if it's 0, we jump to there. Yes. Grab a thing. If it's 0, it jumps to that and goes to the outbox. If it's not 0, it won't jump there, therefore it will jump to there. And... Actually, it just wants to go back to the start. That seems too simple to work, but that might work. Throw it away. It's a 0. Goes to the outbox. Oh, I didn't loop the whole thing. Gotta remember to loop the whole thing, right? Got it. Then it starts again. Okay, cool. So then that goes out, and back to start. Inbox, null 0, inbox, null 0, inbox, it's a 0, so it jumps to the outbox. Cool. Speed that up a little bit. Whoop. Hey. When I sped that up, it looked like he dropped one of the zeros on the floor, but I think I just missed things. Was that accurate? Oh, slightly too slow. No, I could have done it faster. Okay. Oh well. Continue to elevator. I suppose we'll do them in ascending numerical order. Sub-hallway. Subtraction? I never learned that in school. Did you? We're a good team. Okay, so fair enough. That's reasonable. Same deal as the addition, I guess. For each 2 things in the inbox, first subtract the first from the second and put that in the outbox. And then subtract the second from the first and put that in the outbox. Oh, lord. Okay. Inbox. Copy to 0. And... do I want to do anything with it? So then inbox... Copy to 1. So we store them both. Go to the inbox, grab one, put it there. Go to the inbox, grab one, put it there. And then we've got... Oh lord. We need to subtract the first number from the second and put that in the outbox. So I still have the second one in my hand there. So we need to subtract, and then the subtract the contents of the tile, subtract the contents of the tile on the floor from what you're holding. So I'm currently holding the second one, and I want to subtract the first one from it. So that works. So copy to 1, and then subtract 0. Then outbox. Then copy from 0, and subtract from 1. And then outbox. And then jump the whole shebang. That should work, I think. Store that there. Throw it away. Store that there. Subtract those out. Grab that, subtract that, and out. And lather, rinse, and repeat. Yeah. I think that worked. Hooray! 10 commands, I did it in 10. Cool. And I'm supposed to do it in 40 steps, I did it in 40. Brilliant. Brilliant. Alrighty, let's have a look at Tetra Contemplator. I don't know what a Tetra Contemplator is. What a wonderful feeling! When all of your work over the last few years all comes together and culminates in a well-executed assignment. Okay. Reach the in the inbox, multiply it by 40? What? How? What? What? I guess I could just add it a bunch of times. That seems like that wouldn't work very well, but... Inbox... Copy to 0. So, add 0, add 0, add 0, add 0. That would make it 5. Then copy to... I realised last time I went along the line copying them in. I don't necessarily know that I need to. I could probably still use the 0, but let's make use of... It did also dawn on me afterwards that this is almost kind of... This is, I guess, like... Is this the computer's memory? I don't know. Is that how memory works? I guess it... I don't know. I don't know in that much about computers. I don't know specifically about right down to the nitty-gritty logic of things. So if we copy it to 1, and then add 1. So start there, made it 5 times, double it makes it 10. Copy to 2, add 2 makes it 20. Copy to 3, add 3. Would make it 40, and outbox it, and then jump the whole thing. That feels like a messy way of doing it, but I don't know how else you could do it, because it's, you know, 40 is not a nice power of 2, the same way that 8 was. So, I guess it'll work. Right, 6, okay, 12, 18, 24, 30, double it, 60, double it, 120, double it, 240, and throw it away. So it was 6 times 40, 240? It was, wasn't it? Yes, this works! The system works! Brilliant. Yay! I think that did the job. Whether this was effective or not, I don't know. Yeah, I did use 14. Oh, cool. And 56 steps. Oh, I did it exactly right. Oh, cool. Did not expect this, but I did. Cool. Alright, Equalisation. Do we get new commands? I think we maybe do. Sometimes, some numbers are bigger than other numbers, and sometimes they are the same. How can we know? I read about that here in this great book. Which number are you for the aspirational 0? You can borrow it later. Oh, hey, comments. Cool. You can use them if you like to mark sections of your program. Hello, world. Okay. Oh, I can make my own comments. Cool. Oh, it's got squigglies. Oh, right. Oh, I thought I could just type things in. No, you actually have to write on them. Okay. Well, sure. So, yeah. Okay, well, this is happening now. Okay. I'm sorry, the game allowed me to draw things. I'm sorry. Oh, I'll throw that away. Oh, the game should not allow you to draw things. They shouldn't. What are we doing? Get 2 things from the inbox. They are equal. Put one of them in the outbox. If they are equal, put one of them in the outbox. Discard non-equal pairs. Repeat. And we have comments. Okay. Ew, I don't know how to do this. I've got an inkling. Okay. So get something from the inbox. Copy to 0. Get a thing from the inbox. Copy to 1. Okay. Actually, do I need to do that? Yes, I do. Because then I need to subtract the 0. So get the 1, subtract the 0. If the two numbers are the same, it will be 0. So then if it's 0, go to... if it's 0... Oh, hang on, no. If it's 0, copy from... 0 works because they'll be the same, so it won't matter. If it's 0, copy from. Otherwise, then that jump can go to... Actually, back to the start, to be honest. And then I need another one to reset it as well. So, get the first one, copy it to the floor. Get the second one, copy it to the floor. Subtract the first one. Actually, I still don't need that. I don't need that copy to the floor, do I? Get the first one, copy it to the floor. Get the second one. Subtract the first one. If it's 0, get a copy of the thing from the floor and put it to the outbox. There's no need to copy the thing to the second thing to the floor, because I'm not using it at any stage. It gets copied but never gets used. And yeah, okay. And then jumps past that jump to go to copy from 0 and outbox, and then resets. Otherwise, it just resets if it's not 0. I think that makes sense. That's 5. That is -3, so we throw it away and start again. That's a 5. That is a 0. So we copy one of those and put it out. That's a 3. That's a -6. That is not a 0, so it goes back to the start. That's a -2. That is a -2. That makes a 0, so we get a copy of it and put it in the outbox. Hey! That worked. Thing is, until he goes yay or not yay, kind of hard to actually say what exactly, if anything, they're expecting the answer to be. So yeah, you can't tell until you outputted it. You just kind of, I think you get a hunch whether you've done it right or not, though. I could have done it faster, though. Huh. It does say in many cases it's not possible to optimize both in one solution, so there may be another way of doing that that might use more commands, but would be faster. Interesting. I'm not sure how else I would do some of these. That one particularly, the equalization room, was like, how could you do that differently? I'm mildly curious about the Mizzy Bail room, or the Busy Mail room. Grab each thing from the inbox and drop each one into the outbox. This could have been done faster, apparently. But I don't know how. Oh! I think it was just slightly too long. I think if you were to take out the jump, the inefficient route would actually be the easier route. Because how many is it? Is it just seven letters I need to do? Because it has one unnecessary jump back to the start where it stops because there's no inbox. So in order to do it faster, you would actually have to do it the same way that you do the first level, in spite of it giving you the extra command. So that's just gonna... Oh no, how many of them are there? Well, management expected 11 items. Okay, well I couldn't see until they came through. So I guess I could just keep doing this. There is a copy. I just... No, because I want to paste it onto the bottom. That's the thing. The paste tool is limited there. Dang it! Gotta keep doing. So if you paste it, it pastes the whole thing over the whole thing. Nope, that was wrong. And there. Okay. Ah! Oh, I see what it did there. Oh, they gave me a different number of letters. Your solution works with those specific inputs, but fails on other inputs. Oh, boo. Right. Alright, never mind. Dang it. So the thing is, I've got no idea how many things are coming. Oh, can you tell me more? Your new command is very powerful. That's about jumping. Give me an example. Gunbox is auto-exec. Outbox should be auto-exec. What is my inbox, though? I don't know what the full inbox is. Useful if you could tell me what it was. Hello again. How'd you make this faster? I don't know. I am slightly stumped on this one. How do I get out of here? Back, I suppose. Boo. I thought I got that. I thought they were going to give us the same input each time, which is... yeah. Now, I could have done it if I knew it was going to get the same input each time, but it did not. Okay, let's maximize things, I suppose. There's been a change of plans! The accounting department has determined that treating all numbers equally is no longer profitable. Management wants the big numbers only. Grab two things from the inbox and put the bigger of the two in the outbox. If they are equal, just pick either one. Repeat. What? Oh, we've got some other jumps. Oh, we've got jump if negative. Ah, cool. Okay. That is a useful command. That is what I was saying about the other if commands. It's like there didn't seem to be enough if options. Now we've got if negative. That allows us to do some stuff. So... that's not... oh, clear. Yes. You want to clear your program. I would like to have pasted my last one. I don't think it'll let me... ooh, there are other tabs? What are the tabs about? I would have liked to have pasted my last level, actually, because I didn't realise I was going to need to do a very similar one. So we get the inbox. We copy to 0. We go get the next inbox. We subtract 0 from it. Oh no, we do now. We actually do need to copy it to the floor, don't we? Because we need a backup copy of both things. And in the last one, we didn't need a backup copy of both items, just on the basis that they were going to be the same anyway. In this particular instance, I am going to need a backup copy of whatever I've copied from the inbox. So we copy that to 1, subtract 0 from it, jump if negative. If it's negative, wait, no. That's not what I want. Yeah, I do want to jump if negative, don't I? If it's negative, that means the first number is bigger. So, if it's negative, copy from 0 and outbox. Okay? Otherwise, jump to here. Copy from 1 because we did the subtraction, so we don't have either of those numbers in our hands because we've done some math with it. So copy that from 1, then outbox, and I need some more jumps, don't I? After that outbox, that wants to go back to the start. And after that outbox, that wants to go back to the start. So if it's negative, it goes to there, runs through here, and jumps back to the start. However, if it's not negative, it jumps past it jumps past that jump. Wait, it jumps past the jump if negative. It jumps past that. I don't know. It makes sense in my head. I can't explain it very well, but I think it makes sense. If it's negative, it goes and runs this particular command and then jumps back to the start. If it's not negative, it won't execute that, so it'll jump that. It'll jump past that jump to run that command and jump back to the start. That's what I wanted. This is what comments are about, I suppose. Normally when you're doing comments and coding, it gives you more than just a squiggly line to comment with. No, don't want to comment. Get out. Okay, run the thing. Is this doing it right? I think it should do it right. I should have been doing that a little slower, but they seem happy. They seemed happy with that. 10 commands. Ooh, 13. Ew. Okay. 34, 38. Oh, that was sloppy. It was sloppy, but I did it. I mean, I'm actually not sure how you would do that better. How would you do that better? I can't. That's literally the only solution I could think of to make that one work. No. I got nothing on this. No, I have no idea how that could be improved. Oh well, let's have employee morale insertion.
And that, ladies, is how I saved a bundle on my long-distance telephone service.
Uh-oh.
Back to work, everyone.
Oh, is that just the back to work noise? Oh, okay.
A massive army of machines has surrounded the city. The machines are not moving, and they are not communicating. Local authorities are investigating.
This has got that typical Tomorrow Corp 2D boy kind of sinister background subplot. It's got this really cute, quirky, simple puzzle thing going on in the foreground. And in the background, the world that this game is set in has kind of got something kind of darker going on. I like that. I like that. Alright, let's have a look at what's in the exclusive lounge. What is in the exclusive lounge? I've always felt most comfortable with nice, cold, logical decisions. Emotional decisions are for the weak. For each 2 things in the inbox, send a 0 to the outbox if they have the same sign, both positive or negative. And... oh, what? Send a 1 to the outbox if their signs are different. Wait, this is the same as the last one. Okay. Except we copy different things. No, inbox, copy to 0, inbox... wait, what? Send a 0 if they have the same sign, both positive or both negative. Oh wait, no, it's not the same as last one. Oh no, I need to think about this. I might leave that there for now whilst I ponder this one. Ooh, that's a puzzle. Yeah, I'll give this some thought and get back to you. Yeah, but for now, thank you for watching Human Resource Machine, and I will see you next time.